Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to center align text in Notion. While Notion doesn't have a direct center alignment button like traditional text editors, there's a clever workaround using columns that gives you a clean, centered look that works across different screen sizes. First, open Notion and head to your workspace. Once you're there, navigate to the specific page where you want to center your text. This could be a project page, a document, or any page where you want to make certain text stand out by centering it. Click anywhere in the page body to create a new block. This is where the magic happens. Type /3 columns into the block and you'll see a drop-down menu appear with layout options. Select the 3 columns block from that list. This command creates 3 side-by-side columns on your page, and it's the foundation for achieving that centered text effect. Now that you have your 3 columns set up, click directly in the middle column. This is where your centered text will live. The beauty of this method is that by placing content in the middle column, it naturally sits in the center of your page, flanked by empty space on both sides. Go ahead and type or paste the text you want to center align into that middle column. Whatever you add here will appear centered on your page. This works for any type of content, whether it's a heading, a quote, or a paragraph you want to emphasize. Here's where you can fine-tune the appearance. To make your text look perfectly centered, you can adjust the width of the middle column by dragging the vertical separator lines that divide the columns. Simply hover over these lines until your cursor changes, then click and drag to make the middle column wider or narrower depending on how you want your text to appear. The outer columns act as margins, so adjusting them controls how much space surrounds your centered content. This column method is particularly useful because it's responsive, meaning your centered text will maintain its position nicely even when viewed on different devices or screen sizes. It's a simple yet effective way to work within Notion's design structure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.